Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Ray Dalio is a legendary billionaire investor. He's the founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, and he has a net worth of over $20 billion. Ray Dalio is most famous for pioneering the holy grail of investing. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 stocks which Ray Dalio has recently been buying. Let's dive in. Right guys, so in this video, we're going to be using investwithlegends.com. So this is a fantastic website where you can track the stock portfolios of many of the legendary billionaire investors. So you've got Warren Buffett here, Bill Gates, Cathie Wood, Ray Dalio, Charlie Munger, Michael Burry, and many, many more. So I'll link to this website. First link in the description below. I'm also part owner of this website right now, so I'm a little bit biased, but it's a fantastic website. I use it all the time, and you can basically track these legendary investors and exactly what they're buying and selling. So this really is the smart money. It's the smartest money on the planet, and it's the best chance that you can get to actually find great investment ideas. Would I recommend just copying each stock exactly? Not necessarily, but you could use it as a starting point for your own research. So in this video, guys, we're going to dive into Ray Dalio's portfolio. So if I click following, I can follow his trades, and then I click all investments. And it'll tell us a little bit about Ray Dalio, and of course we get access to his entire stock portfolio and exactly what he's been buying and selling. Okay, so stock number 1 we're going to dive into by Ray Dalio is Lowe's. So as you can see here, he paid his average legend buy price was $73 per share. That's the average price which he paid for this stock. Since then, the stock is up by 234%, but he's continually added to the position throughout 2021. The stock's currently trading around $244 at the moment, and he's increased his shares by 92% in Q3 of 2021. Hopping into the share price right here, we can see this stock benefited hugely from the whole pandemic. We had people stuck at home, and as Lowe's is a major DIY home improvement retail chain, what did people decide to do? Well, refurbish their homes. So of course, we can see the stock went on a rampage. If we go from 2020 here, we can see from February 2020, the stock was up 56%. If we go on the yearly chart here, from June, the stock was up around 60%. There has been a bit of a correction right now. So the stock has corrected down by around 8-9%. So definitely could be an opportunity. $134 billion market cap. P ratio of 20, dividend yield 1.69. So yeah, very interesting company. Hop into a few more metrics here. So the last period, this company experienced incredible growth of 24%. Now, generally, I say a growth stock is one which is growing between 15 and 20% per year. 24% growth, guys, which is from the whole pandemic. Now, you wouldn't normally think of Lowe's as a growth stock. You would think of it more as a value play, but it's still growing immensely fast. Over the previous years, you can expect around 10% growth from this company and moving forward. The company has an incredible return on capital of 34%. Anything over 15% is great. So 34% is exceptional. Price sales 1.45, P ratio 16.9. So yeah, reasonable valuation, reasonable company. Expect around 10 to 15% returns moving forward, and you also get that nice dividend. Okay, on to stock number 2, which Ray Dalio has been buying, and that is a very similar company called the Home Depot. So Ray Dalio paid an average price for this stock of $103 per share. Since then, the stock has been on a rampage and has been up 279%. Fantastic there. And it's currently trading around $392 per share. So he's increased his shares in that stock by 135% in Q3 2021. Very similar company to Lowe's. Now, the main differences I can see between Lowe's and Home Depot is Lowe's is more geared towards the DIY homeowner, while Home Depot is better suited for the professional. That's in terms of a few reviews I've seen online. I don't actually go to the store myself because it's not in the UK. Now, hopping right into the juicy financials, this company's also experienced tremendous growth from the whole pandemic. So sales growth of 32% over the past period, exceptional. Balance sheet's not looking too strong at the moment, but it is an extremely profitable company. They're bringing in around $141 billion in revenue each and every year, which is just incredible and mind-blowing to see. The company also pays a nice dividend here of around 1.9%, expected to increase to over 2% in the next couple of years. The valuation's looking a little bit more expensive than Lowe's at the moment, so P ratio of 21.5, price to sales of 2.34, but definitely a very interesting company to watch. All the numbers are looking in the right direction. I would say Lowe's is a better valuation, but Home Depot has been growing slightly faster. Okay, on to stock number 3, which Ray Dalio has been buying, and that is Lululemon. Ray Dalio paid an average price of $147 per share. That's his legend buy price. Since then, the stock's up 223%, so incredible gains, and it's currently trading around $477, and he's increased his stake by 11% in Q3. Lululemon, for those that don't know, was founded in 1998 as a retailer of yoga pants and other yoga wear. Since then, it's expanded to sell other products internationally in 491 stores as well as online. So I have seen quite a few of their stores around the world. There's some in Manchester, some in London, and all over the world. So hopping into the share price here, the stock's been on a roller coaster over the past few years. So it's been up and down over the past 2020, shall I say. Very up and down. The stock's only up 11% year to date. Market cap $43 billion. P ratio is looking quite high. So hopping into this company, this must be a growth stock. Yes, it is. So sales growth 88% over the past year. So immensely fast growing company. Personally, I had to look at their website. I can't see the major appeal of their products, but they must have a loyal customer base to be growing that fast. Perhaps when people were stuck at home, they started to spend more on activewear to use in their home, and perhaps even yoga gear. Hopping in right here, just under $5 billion in revenue. It is a profitable company for a growth company, which is great. Balance sheet strong, current ratio over 2.34. Price of sales is 9, so you're paying 9 times the company sales. P ratio extremely high, 45. Return on capital exceptional, 29%. So really, the numbers say this is a fantastic company. The valuation's a little bit spicy for me right now. And I also don't like the fact that this company's got a heap load of stores all over the world. I just feel everything's moving online, and I'd rather be invested into companies which are more e-commerce focused. I know this company's got an online store, but I'd rather invest into a pure play e-commerce company rather than a company with 500 stores all over the world. But that's just my personal opinion on where I think the market is going on a macro level. So that's today's video, guys. If you did find any value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out tremendously with the channel. Which is your favorite stock on this list? What do you think of these stocks? Lululemon, Home Depot, Lowe's? Comment your thoughts below. What is your favorite stock on this list right now? If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on. And remember, guys, if you do want to access in real time exactly which stocks I'm personally buying, selling, and my entire 6-figure investment portfolio, maybe even join our thriving VIP membership group or our ultimate investing strategy course, you can find out about that and more. First link in the description below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.